Welcome back to another video. Top Hat Plus here. I thought I would take a few minutes while I'm at work to share with you guys some of the very cool vehicles that they do. I am working at John Bear, New Hamburg now, which is primarily a truck dealership. I do apologize for background noise. There's a very busy road there that I can't do anything about. So we are going to have to persevere for the sake of this truck. 2020 Silverado with some very cool touches. It's got the red line edition Silverado badging. Pretty ballin'. Electronic push stuff. Super convenient, like epically convenient. With the absolutely baller truck box. My experience of all the ones I've ever used, by far my favorite. This truck does have a factory lift. Not exactly sure how much it is. I want to say 4 inches compared to the stock, but it might be 6. It's pretty interesting. It's got a pretty neat set of Rockstar rims, which is a multi-piece design, which looks pretty cool, very rugged. I do like the red accents. It gives the truck a little bit of flair. I'm not a huge black on black guy. I do like some points of accent. You do have some nice running boards on there. Brand new truck, pretty much a mid-level trim, nicely appointed. You got the big infotainment screen, which to me is probably more important than almost anything else when you're spending good time in here. It is a crew cab, so the back seats are super generous and incredibly spacious. Very nice, very nice. Rocking your classic American V8 up front with the new fascia. A lot of people not a fan. I am a huge fan. I think they did a absolutely banger of a job. When you see them on the road, it is the most angry looking truck on the road. And you can tell they took a little bit of inspiration out of their other product lines. This is a first. I have not actually seen a truck with an outlined bow tie. I do believe it is a wrap. And then they did the nice little accent line on the front there as well, which I've recently done on other vehicles, which always gives it a nice flair. It's the red recovery hooks. You guys make fun of me for having a tow hook on my car. This thing has 2. And then just your classic Chevy interior. It's got your Wi-Fi, it's got your dual glove box, you've got great storage options, comfortable seats, spacious legroom, tons of headroom, sunroof. What a ballin' vehicle. I'm pretty excited that I get to sell these and share these with you guys, because why not? I want to live the dream and share what I am desired to own. And this is definitely on the list. So, stay tuned, subscribe for more videos. There's going to be a lot more content from the dealership, as well as just other fun stuff going on out and about for that RST life. Take care, guys. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always.